In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website for free with Updraftplus. Backups are your safety net. If an update breaks your site, a plugin conflicts, or something goes wrong on the server, a recent backup lets you restore quickly and keep your website running smoothly. Updraftplus is a trusted, free solution that automates this for you, and it takes just a few minutes to set up. Start in your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Updraftplus. When you see the Updraftplus WordPress Backup plugin, click Install Now, and once the installation completes, click Activate. After activation, the plugin adds its own settings page so you can customize how your backups run. Next, go to Settings, then Updraftplus. This is the control center for your backups. You'll see options for two important pieces of your site: the files backup schedule and the database backup schedule. Your files include things like your theme, plugins, uploads, and media. Your database stores your posts, pages, comments, users, settings, and other content. Both are essential, but they don't always change at the same pace, which is why you can schedule them separately. Set your files backup schedule based on how often your site files change. If you rarely add plugins or media, weekly might be enough. If you upload new images or make design updates regularly, consider daily. Now, set your database backup schedule. Because content changes more frequently, new posts, edits, comments, daily is a good default for most sites. If you run a busy blog or store with constant activity, you can schedule backups to run more frequently. The key is to match the schedule to your site's pace so you always have a fresh restore point. Finally, decide how many backups to keep. This is called retention. Keeping more backups gives you a longer history to roll back to, but each backup uses storage on your hosting. Choose a number that balances safety and space. For a small site, 3 to 5 copies is often enough. For a busier site, you might keep more, as long as your server has room. Review this setting occasionally, especially if your hosting storage is limited. That's it. With your schedules and retention set, Updraftplus will automatically create backups in the background. This simple setup gives you reliable protection and peace of mind without any ongoing effort.